Here we are, grabbing the gun. We're going to paint the rest of the board. We're reviewing a Dextra paint gun, and it is a 4.0 amp hour machine, double the capacity of a 2.0 amp with 3 spray nozzles, circular, vertical, horizontal. And it has enough kPa to do the job. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. This spray unit has a 1.5, 1.8, 2.0 millimeter nozzle. It takes a 2.0 charger to charge the battery that has a red and a green light. When the green blinking light turns solid green, we are fully charged in a number of hours. We have a nice carrying bag, instruction guide, the accessories, and the handgun that has a number of things on it, including the controller. Some minor assembly is required. Now what you're going to do is just simply take a look how things are connected together. They align up and snap into place. The battery goes on the bottom like so, slides in. This is the trigger. It is variable and adjustable by the knob over here. This is the release mechanism, and this is the nozzle controls. When adding in your paint, it should drip from 20 to 40 seconds so it could pass through the nozzle. When pouring the paint through, if it drips past here between 20 to 40 seconds, you're good to go. If it takes too long, then you're going to have to thin your paint out with special conditioners and so forth. Different types of nozzles. The nozzle cleaner tool. And a cleaning brush. The amount of flow, and the horizontal and vertical and circular motion. This is the unpacking guide and the manual. 40,000 RPM, a 12,000 milliliter, a 12 kPa pressure unit with a 700 mi flow. We're going to show you how to charge the battery by removing it, pulling out. We have a solid red light, and on the back of the battery telling you how much power you have. We are fully charged. Slide into the unit. It blinks red, and this will blink green. And when it's fully completed, we have a solid green light. It is a 4.0 amp hour battery that will last. The H20 Leon battery can take up to 70 minutes to charge, noted by the instructions. If we need to remove the nozzle, we simply unscrew. We take out the color-coded nozzle, or we put in a red or black nozzle. Simply put back in the nozzle like so. Pay attention to this wide angle, this wide angle. They match up, lock in, and screw on. So the Dextra has a nice carrying case that you simply can unpack. Prepare yourself for your paint job. You have your machine, and we're going to take some paint and see if it pours through correctly. What we're going to be doing today is building a birdhouse, preparing the wood. I got my paint. That's the color I'm going to use, white. I do want to pour in to see how fast it can pour. 20 to 40 seconds is usable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has just about reached its 40-second mark. This is not usable for the gun. To make it usable for the gun, we're going to add in some conditioner. And we're going to mix up. Again, we added our conditioner, and now we're going to pour in 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 40. Okay, so we are just about where we need to be at. And we can use this. We can add just a little bit more to be on the safe side. Take note how the level that sucks up the fluid, the paint, into the sprayer. So when we tilt down, it's all going to be over here. So we're pretty good now. We close up. I'm putting on a pair of gloves so I don't get messy. And we're going to connect all to the painter. We are ready to spray. I'm going to be spraying vertical, horizontal, and pointing down. I need to go thin or thick. I could do like so. For demonstration purposes, this is how I have my stuff set up. And I'm going to be spraying. As it pumps in, it's going to spray out. As you see, for the first time, it's taking time to pump in. That's the spray gun. Very nice job. Now we're going to add a lighter and we're going to paint over here. It shoots a wider angle when I set this up. I don't want such a wide angle. I change this over here, facing up, to give me that circular, vertical, or horizontal. We always are tempted to go over the areas we miss. The gun makes a nice noise. It uses enough paint. It does a good job and is very simple to use. This is the adjustment to bring back here to make less or bring closer to make more. It's got a nice grip. It's heavy, but it's not super heavy. It does a nice job painting. Now, if you're looking for something to do the job like so, this may be the product for you. What I am going to do is turn it around and do the other side. Show you how simple it is, just using that particular one. To clean this up, you're going to have to get cleaner, dip everything in there, and you could clean it up and choose a different color for your needs. It takes a little bit of practice to do a good job painting. That is real fast, real easy, a lot quicker than taking a paintbrush and going real slow. Real quick time painting. This is not just for painting wood. I painted the garage with a roller, and this would do a good job painting that wall for you. When all done, release. Now you won't be able to make a mistake pulling the trigger. Empty out your paint. Put it back into the container if you're all done. I'm going to go clean the container. Then I'm going to add some cleaner and show you how to clean the nozzle. I'm going to pour in my liquid. I'm going to put in my nozzle. Give a little shake. Snap in my gun. And going to spray away. As I spray away, I'm going to clean my, little measuring thing. I'm all finished painting. Did my project. Nice and clean, everything is. And I could simply just put everything, like so, in here. And take things apart. Put into my bag. And the next time when I'm ready to paint, I have everything I need. This has a nice handle that holds everything and a couple of pockets and a strap. I hope you enjoy your paint gun to do the job. Make a birdhouse, which I would love to show you, but this is all about the paint gun. How to paint walls, wood, cabinetry on a very easy level. Enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for to make it go cordless, then an electric gun. Enjoy your paint gun, and thank you very much for viewing.